Welcome to our channel. Cascade Precision Sheet Metal, a one-stop shop for complete analysis of custom sheet metal processes. From the receipt of raw materials to the delivery of finished products, we manage the entire process with information technology, track production progress in real time, and ensure on-time delivery. During laser cutting, the equipment automatically focuses and compensates, easily handling plates of different thicknesses with smooth cutting edges and no burrs. The CNC bending machine is equipped with an advanced mold library, which can quickly change molds according to the shape of the product to achieve complex bending processes such as multi-angle bending, RIB pressing, etc., to enhance the structural strength of the product. The automated shearing equipment is driven by a servo motor with precise shearing size and high efficiency, providing neat sheets for subsequent processes. In terms of surface treatment, in addition to conventional painting and sandblasting, we also provide special processes, such as anodizing and electroplating to meet the stringent requirements of different industries. On product surface performance, choose Cascade Precision Sheet Metal to experience the exquisite craftsmanship of custom sheet metal manufacturing in one stop, and let your project take a leap forward in both quality and efficiency.